How do you say to be in love? To be in love. You say être amoureux. Être amoureux. Être amoureux. So as you may already know, être is the French translation for the verb to be. Être. Être. Do not pronounce the final E in French. So être. Not être. Être. And then, second word, to be in love, we say amoureux. And it has that root in it, like amour, love, okay? Amoureux. Amoureux. Again, comes from the throat, like you're trying to spit something out, something stuck here, you're like amoureux. Not amoureux, not amoureux, amoureux, amoureux. Être amoureux. How do you say, I just got back? I just got back. You say, je viens de revenir. Je viens de revenir. Je viens de is I just did something. Like when something just happened, in French we have that construction that goes like, je viens de. Viens comes from the verb venir, which means to come. Okay? Come, you would say viens, or I come, you would say je viens. All right, so je viens de, okay. So basically, I just come back, if you try to translate literally. But that's the way of saying just something. So, I just got back, je viens de revenir. Revenir, like come again. Revenir, je viens de revenir. How do you say in French, I would like to point? I'd like to point. You say, j'aimerais souligner. J'aimerais souligner. I would like to, j'aimerais. Comes from the verb to love. Okay, aimer. So, and at the conditional tense, it goes like j'aimerais. J'aimerais. J'aimerais souligner. Souligner means to underline, okay? Sous means under. Souligner, like une ligne, is the word for a line. So, souligner, underline. I'd like to point out or to underline. It goes like j'aimerais souligner. J'aimerais, in spoken French, we go fast, like j'aimerais souligner. Souligner. How do you say to be happy? To be happy. Be careful with this one. Is être heureux. Être, tr. First of all, the pronunciation, tr. Okay. The final E, when you see the vowel, the letter E at the end of a word, 95% of the time you do not pronounce it. It's not Italian or Spanish. Sometimes they do. In French, we never. So, être is the verb to be. Être. 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 Heureux. Not heureux. Not heureux. Heureux. No. Heureux. Sing. Être heureux. 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 Not ou, not u, e. Heureux. Être heureux. Être heureux. Let's try to pronounce a complicated word when it comes to say it in French. Entrepreneur. Okay, it sounds cool in English. Entrepreneur. Right, but it's a French word. So let's pronounce it the French way. So, entre. Okay. Tre. Comes from the throat, like you're trying to spit something out, like something is stuck here, you're choking on something, like tre, tre, entre, and then same goes like same as pre. So entrepreneur. A lot of in this one. So entrepreneur.